What up YouTube, it's your boy Eddie Premier, and today I'm going to be installing these LED strips on my monitor. Tool right here. Alright. So I don't actually remember the price, wasn't that expensive, but yeah, I'm gonna put a link in the description below. These are USB powered, and that's another reason I actually went for these, is because it gives you a lot more flexibility on where you're gonna place them. And hopefully the 3 feet is enough, because I didn't think or take into consideration the length of the arm. And I tested the first one, which is actually I got into already. It's already over there. So I'm gonna take you over there.
5 minutes later.
All right, so we have our plug here. And first things first, I wanna make sure that we're gonna have enough clearance, that I'm not running into anything. And to be honest, I think I'm gonna have to, these are designed for, I think these are designed for like 60 inches. So it's gonna have to snake back and forth, which is kind of like something I didn't want. I actually looked, and it looked like it said it was sort of 26 to 65 inches, if I'm not mistaken. If I can temporarily tape them and light them up just to see how they look before I finally position them, that will probably be the wisest thing to do, right? All right, let's do that. Crazy, I know I didn't finally stick it yet, but obviously anybody who's done any amount of tinkering and putting stuff together knows that you kind of want to mock everything up before they go. And I'm assuming that these 3-foot cords are a little too short. And let's see how it looks from back here. Just looks a little dim. And let me try to connect to it. And I think that's because I don't have it. I have curtains in the back and it's not right against the wall. So, you know, but they do give a nice little glow. I like that. guys, that's it for this video. Alright, you guys, that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time.